Good morning, social studies buddies, afternoon, whatever time it is you are doing these notes. I wanted to take a quick second to kind of go over what we're talking about today and where we're going and what the next couple kind of days are going to look at. I know we've been doing some transitioning with starting the rotations, and I just want to say thank you to everybody for going with the flow, asking great questions, and reaching out when you need something. So please, please, please keep doing what you're doing. I'm so proud of all y'all. So we're going to take notes on Hinduism today. There's notes in a slideshow, and obviously you're watching the screencast now. When you're done with your async time, I kind of need you, or I would like you, to start to go back and look at some of the things that we were looking at previously, like geography, the climate, the notes. So we haven't looked at some of these things in a while since we started this week. So today we're doing Hinduism. Tomorrow we'll talk about the caste system. There's going to be a small writing activity with that. I will provide a screencast with tomorrow too. We're going to do a virtual field trip on Friday. Monday we review, and then Tuesday you take an India test. Then Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to review for China, and then Friday you take your India quarterly. Your social studies quarterly. So that's what's happening there. Just quick update of the schedule. If you have questions, ask Mr. O'Neill, email me, and I will answer them for you. On today's notes, you have 10 questions, and you're going to kind of fill them in as you go through the notes. When you start the slideshow, there are 2 videos I'd like you to watch. One's 3 minutes and the other's 3 minutes. You can either pause me and watch them now or watch them after the screencast. When we kind of go through the notes, I want you to understand Hinduism is the 3rd largest religion in the world. About 14% of the world's population, or a little over 1 billion people, follow Hinduism devoutly. It's the oldest living religion in the world. That means it has been being practiced continuously, uninterrupted, for 3,000 years. Just an excellent little piece of information. Predominantly, most of the people that practice Hinduism are found in India. You find people that practice Hinduism all over the world, but the majority of them are in India. Here's a picture of a Hindu temple. And as we go through, I kind of want you to understand how Hinduism found its way to the Indus Valley. It was brought with the Aryans, and you're going to kind of read about this here. Hinduism does believe in this idea called Brahman, and it's the spiritual power that created the universe. So it's both monotheistic and polytheistic at the same time. There's one spirit that created the universe, but it has manifested or represented itself into many different gods. One of the main things about Hinduism that I think I see in all religions is that all life is connected and that life should be respected. Again, there are millions of Hindu gods and goddesses, but again, these are some of the ones you'll see from time to time: Brahma, Shiva, and Vishnu. Here are some words to watch: reincarnation, dharma, and karma. Please be familiar with these words as we move through today. So there is some dietary restrictions with Hinduism. So vegetarianism. Most Hinduisms typically do not eat meat. Why do you think? That's something I'd like us to discuss as a class today, to kind of talk about. Why do you think Hindus don't eat meat? The next thing we'll talk about is reincarnation. There's a question on your notes. And then there's something I'd like you to review on your notes. Now, I do need to kind of change this. This is not on Friday, and it's a test, and it's next Tuesday. Sorry, I can't spell today. So you want to look at all these things. We want to go over this, make sure you're reviewing, and you want to do this during your async time after you're finished with your notes. So if there aren't any questions, let me know, email me, let me know if you have questions, and good luck with the rest of your day. When you're done with this set of notes, please make sure you've watched the videos, and please make sure you've started a review for your test and your quiz.